this is Jamni Pujari and I'm back again with another video of this web development series where we're gonna see how to work with borders. Now you will think that, oh, it's just a boring thing, like what's great deal in just working with borders? They are just the outline for the elements. But my friends, you are wrong. Borders are so much powerful that when it's combined with the advanced part of the CSS, you can make many more things. Like for example, you can make this glowing effect buttons, you can make this animated things. All of these things are done with the help of borders. We have seen how much powerful things we can do in CSS with the help of borders when they are combined with the advanced part of the CSS. So for combining and using logic and creativity, first we need to understand what are the basic parts of the borders. So without any delay, let's get started. So guys, I'm an educator in Newton School. So let's see what Newton School is all about. So my friends, Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. They have variety of courses which help professional working people and also for the people from non-tech background. Isn't that amazing, guys? They train you for 6 months to be a full stack web developer. Also, they ensures that you get placed in the best companies in the country. This wasn't the best part, guys. They have pay after placement facilities which ensures that you don't need to pay anything until and unless you get placed in the best companies with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Isn't that crazy, guys? Also, one more thing. Here you can see Launchpad. Launchpad is an initiative by Newton School for the students who want to learn coding from scratch, and here you can do as much as quiz you want and assignments you want to practice for the free of cost. Isn't that cool? And I want you all to go and check out their pages and try your hands on with this practice questions. So my friends, since we are done with the introduction part, now let's quickly jump into the code. As you can see what exactly this border is, and when you want to add border, what code do we need to write? CSS border property allows you to specify the style, width and color of the element's border. Let us see how to style it. For styling, and especially for styling the border, we have various styles of border. And what are they? Let's see. So here we have dotted borders which have dots like this around your element, and let's try with dashed borders, and this looks something like this. And let's see what solid border looks like. These are the double borders, and this is none. When you don't want the default borders, you set this as none. And then there is one more called as inset and outside. So what are these inset and outside? These are the 3D borders, and this is how it looks like. Also, if you'll notice, we can specify the width of border as well. And how to do that? We have to use border width property. We can set different width to all of the 4 sides, and the value can be set in the form of pixels or predefined values such as thin, medium or thick. Also, we can define border at one side if we want, such as border top like this, 2 pixel, solid and green. What is this 2 pixel, solid and green? 2 pixels stands for the width, and solid stands for border style, and green stands for border color. Yes, we can also give it color as we want, and this is how this looks like. So a quick recap, we can put different styles of the border we want, and also we can set different style of width we want, and third, we can also give it color as we wish. So isn't that cool? And also we can give border to only one side if we want, which looks like this. But there is also a last part, and what is that part? Often we come across rounded borders in the website, and how to achieve that is achieved with the help of this border radius. So this much for today, guys. Hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. This means a lot, my friends. And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section and share this video as much as possible. And also, if you have any suggestion for the future videos, please let me know in the comment section. And yes, hope you have a great day. Bye bye.